just got to LA. Never been here before. Video on myself. Hi. Now we're just waiting for Janine.
So weird. Hi, nice to finally meet all of you.
I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame XS.
Good morning. It is moving day. It's currently like 4:35 a.m. Look how empty my room is. It's so empty. I'm getting so excited for my move. Bags in check. Snow. Is it Janine? Hello, roomie. Do we live in LA?
We do live in California.
We are in LA! And we're starving. And my bags aren't here. I have had a, how many hours now? 16-hour travel day. I haven't eaten since
It's like you traveled to Finland.
I was thinking about that. I was like, man, I could have freaking gone to Europe. But my bags, despite what the Delta people assured me, are in Atlanta, not here, so I shouldn't get those till tomorrow. And all of my toiletry items and everything is in that. So we're good. So we're gonna go get food, meet my new roommate. Do you remember the first time we met?
We met in LA.
We met at LAX. You remember?
Yes. And I was like, oh my God, Morgan. I was like, it's so great seeing you in person.
Our friends at Lexus hooked us up with this car. I will show you in more detail.
We need to name her. What do we name her? She's a blue
blue
SUV. Lexus. What do we name her? Comment down below, everybody.
Yeah.
But we'll try and think of one.
So Janine and I both shipped our cars out here. If you guys have been keeping up with my other vlogs, then you saw when I shipped out my car, stuffed it full of things. Both of our cars get in, I believe, tomorrow. So for this first 24 hours, Lexus has so kindly given us this car to drive around. So it's been clutch. I would have gotten in way earlier when Janine did. And so she's been able to utilize this today. And this parking structure is really something.
It really is, you guys.
Many questions. I'm good. What else was I saying? So this car was just gonna be clutch for us. Actually, we're now on the way to Target to pick up a bunch of stuff.
And there's so much room in this car that we can like stock it up with like all of our stuff.
We're now at Target, and the type A person I am, I made a list of everything I could think of that we would need for our house. So far, we've just gone down the bedding aisle. I've got some pillows, mattress pad. We're just trying to get the basics that we need for tonight, and it's out of focus. I'm looking at trash cans. I feel good about this gold one.
Oh, this is cute.
Oh, see, I didn't even get that far.
Guys, look. Wait.
Some curls and trash cans.
Shopping for trash cans.
What could I use this for? Because I really like the looks of it. It says this is a soap dish orb.
I use that for my like nighttime skincare products. Like I laid all my products on there.
I'm going with gold for the bathroom. Got this little soap thing, this little toothbrush thing. I switched to silver. Janine showed me vlog clips of our bathroom. And even though I love gold so much more, I don't think it's gonna look good. So I have reluctantly opted for silver. Worse than the trash can dilemma. We have been on the hand soap aisle
For way too long.
Not exaggerating, probably 15 minutes, and we just can't choose.
What do you think? There
are no good options.
Smell. And it's clear.
It smells like nothing. I'm fine with it. Hi, neighbor. Hi. Look at how much our stuff has taken over Monica and Shelby's place. This is all our stuff. This is half of their living room. Oh, heck yeah. Yes, well. All right, we have done much unpacking and figuring out what belongs to who. So everything you see here, and there's more stuff and you'll see it throughout, and I'll talk about all the items more later, but all of these items are from either Cotton On, Urban Outfitters, or H&M's home lines, and you can find all of it on the DOTE app, which will be linked below. If you go to my profile and follow me, you can see all of us have like a collaborative home. It's like a board, like a Pinterest board is kind of how I describe it, but it's just a favorites list. And you will see all of these items and you can shop for them right there. So we have just a brief overview. We have a French press, cool cutting board, some other kitchen-y things. We have some succulents. This is stuff from my room. I have this cool like velvety body pillow, bath mat, a bunch of like desk things and towels. We're now moving into my room. I'm sweating from carrying all the things over here upstairs, including this, which is my Lol mattress. The mattress is kind of the #1 thing that I like actually really needed for this first night because you gotta sleep somewhere. So Lol was super awesome. They got me a mattress sent here and we're gonna see how to open it. And I need scissors. Oh, good. Oh, yes. I could go to sleep right now. If this weren't a clean, I'm also winded from doing that. If this weren't a pristinely clean white mattress, I would just sleep without sheets on this. Again, thank you so much to Lol for sending me this mattress. It has been a long day, y'all. I've been awake since 1:30 a.m. this time, and it's like 11 right now, West Coast time. So, like 22 hours, so I'm really tired. So I'm gonna sign off and go to bed. I will give you guys an update tomorrow on, yeah, what else goes on. And I'm gonna have more info about Lol in the description box. So stay tuned if you wanna see an in-depth home decor haul and see the next steps of what we do to our place. Hey, it's comfy.
Is it? Let's see it. Ooh.
Isn't it good?
Yeah.
Good morning, it is day 2 in LA. Really like the first full day because I wasn't here much of yesterday. We had our first sleep in the new house. Here, yep, here we see it. I can confirm the mattress was a 10 out of 10 comfort level. I slept so good, I was also exhausted and sadly had to wake up. Well, it's very exciting because my car is getting delivered like a week before it was supposed to be getting delivered. That is great news. I've literally been on hold with Delta for 35 minutes now about my lost bag. One's supposedly on a flight here right now. One is still in Atlanta, so I don't know how those got separated, if they were all in the same like bag or like claim check thing, I don't know. So I'm just sitting here picking out items or going through, seeing some outfit ideas for the concert I'm going to in New York with Dote in New York City in a couple weekends. So if you would like to help me pick it out, you just go to my page linked below, and mine is that one right there. And then you can add items to it, give me outfit ideas, so make sure you go do that because I am struggling. I also, in my car, fit a ton of boxes, so I brought all of those up and have been just like kind of opening them, but like I don't even have furniture to put things into yet. I need a bed, I need a dresser, I need a desk, I need a nightstand. Janine and I are also sharing this room, which is technically a 4th bedroom, but it's really small, so we're making a closet room because my closet space in this room is only that. So I need to buy like stuff for that room as well. I'm just glad that I can finally change my shirt because I did bring some, oh, forgot what I came in here for. I did pack some clothes in all of these boxes. I'm gonna do an empty house tour in a moment, and I have been on hold with Delta for 2 hours and 2 minutes now. So I love that. In the bathroom, we have this really soft like shag rug that's from H&M. It'll be on my Dote bathroom and bedroom list. Those towels, which I don't know if you can tell, are so soft. They are also from H&M. One downside about this bathroom is the like complete lack of storage. Like I guess I need to get some bins or something to like put up there to have stuff in it too, because all I have is this drawer. It looks like this. And then I have like this mirror opens. And I like that the inside of this is mirrored as well, because in the horror movies, when people always get killed is when they open the mirror and then they're grabbing stuff, and then they shut it, and then someone's behind them. But I'll know if someone's behind me, because we even got a mirror inside. I might also get some kind of like bins or something to like put under here. If you can tell, we have like a good amount of room. I've just been standing here getting all this stuff together, and I had not noticed previously that I have a skylight in here. Got all of my Lush goodies back there in the shower. I'm digging the shower head. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and do an empty house tour. So we're gonna start up on the 3rd floor. Our place is 3 stories. And here's what we're starting with. So stepping out from the bathroom, we have the staircase that goes downstairs. I really love all of these details, or these railings, as well as all the light fixtures we have in this house. And so my bedroom is where we turn right and we walk in. You guys saw that. And then over here, this is also the closet room. And then back this way, we have a little bit of storage space here, which is good. And then this is Adrian's room. So she has the master. And then this is her bathroom. She's got a big old shower. And then to go down a floor. What you doing, girl? Hey, yeah, you find it dead, Janine. So this is the front door. We have a little closet there, alarm system. You go up a couple steps, and then this is the main floor. Big windows, which is nice. This is our pile of all of our boxes, and yeah, that is a staircase view up, and then lots of stuff in here. And then we step back here, we're gonna have a dining table. Oh, I love this light fixture. I didn't show you the one there, but it's like a swirly thing. It looks cool, I'll show you in a minute. And then we step over to our kitchen. So another cool light fixture. I love the white countertops. Yeah, all around cute. I think we might get bar stools there. Over here by the window, we have a bunch of little succulents that we also got from Dote. And we just have some other cute stuff that we got from Dote. So this is a cute cutting board that's marble. We got a bunch of like cups and stuff. And then also we got these cute little holders for like vinegar and oil. And this is gonna be cute like fruit basket. I'm gonna pause the tour. All right, quickly while our Wi-Fi dude's outside. That was the cool Wi-Fi structure, or Wi-Fi, of course, lighting structure. And then to go downstairs, we have more stairs that go down. I like this like open cutout. Right here, we have our laundry room. And then over here, we look back this way, and this is Janine's room and her bathroom. So her bathroom is here, and then the shower's right there. And then over here, she has a pretty big closet. And then you step around this way, and that's the door to the garage, which her car's going there. Here is our very modest little patio that we can stand on and not do much else. I'm eating my dinner, which is from Creation, as was the smoothie bowl. So I thought ahead to tonight and knew that we probably wouldn't have groceries still. So in here, I think it's so cute how they put their dressing in this little glass thingy. I've committed a crime. I think I'm responsible for causing a man like a stroke.
A freaking heart attack.
I know. The dresser is the most solid wood dresser I've ever seen. The guy comes, I felt so bad for him. He was pouring sweat. It was sad. And I didn't even have more cash to tip him. I only had $5 more. We're heading off again, now to TJ Maxx. Slowly but surely it's coming together. I am now the proud owner of 2 pieces of furniture. I can't decide, do I like light gray or dark gray? Where's it going? I don't know. We have food. We went to Trader Joe's after TJ Maxx. We got some, that's my shelf. We have so much storage. Like, I'm so used to sharing my college kitchen with 9 people. This is the dresser I got. And then I got this nightstand, so they are matching, as you can see. I am probably gonna switch out these knobs for some gold ones. So many great things happening right now. I still never explained the story of my lost baggage. One of them got in this morning, which is that one, which they just delivered. We are ending today's vlog on a high note, baby. I got 2 bags. If you guys enjoyed this, leave me a comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Only human, can't you say I made a mistake? Please just look me in my face, tell me everything's okay.